today we will learn about polymers. In this polymers, I have divided into 7 units. The first one is about thermoplastics. Thermoplastics, yeah. And in this, you will get 7 topics. The first one is that, in this we are using one root term, that is CH2 double bond CH2. So from this you will get many components, so that you have to write n in before, so that it is n number of. So after polymerization you get CH2 single bond CH2 after polymerization. Yeah, and that's the result. And this one is known as ethene, and you just need to add the word poly and copy the same ethene, polyethene. And the next step is that for the next compound, next is that the same thing you have to copy, that is NCH2 double bond CH, and here the second H will change to Cl, that is chlorine. And on polymerization this will give NCH2 double bond will changes to single bond and CHCl, and this is known as PVC. So the first one, before the polymerization, it is called vinyl chloride, and after polymerization it is called polyvinyl chloride. In short form it is known as PVC. I have added the word poly to all the resultant words, that is why it is called PVC. And the next compound is that the same thing, that NCH2 double bond CH, and here again the second H changes to Cn, that is cyanide. Then on polymerization we get CH2 single bond CH and Cn n times. Then the monomer is known as acrylonitrile. Acrylonitrile, yeah. After the polymerization, you get acrylon, then orlon, and then pan, PAN, yeah. Then the fourth one is the same, CH2 double bond CH, and the H is replaced by a benzene. And on polymerization it goes like CH2 single bond CH and again a benzene n times. And for this the monomer is known as styrene, yeah. And after polymerization you get polystyrene. And next the sixth one, that is the same thing, CH2 double bond CH, and here it comes CH3 as a branch, and CH3, yeah. And as a branch it is coming as CH3, so that it is known as propylene. And then on polymerization you get CH2 single bond CH as a branch CH3, again the same thing n times, and that compound is known as polypropene. Now the sixth one, there is a change in sixth one, that is CF2, instead of H it is coming F2, CF2 double bond CF2, that is known as tetrafluoroethylene. And on polymerization you get CF2 single bond CF2, that is polytetrafluoroethylene, or it is known as Teflon. And the seventh compound, the last one, that is CF2 double bond CFCl as a branch. Cl comes as a branch, and on polymerization it gives CF2 single bond CFCl n times on everything. After you get the polymerization, everything n times. And on this, the monomer, the polymer is that polychlorotrifluoroethane. Polychlorotrifluoroethane, and that is known as PCTFE as short form. And on the monomer is chlorotrifluoroethyl. Chlorotrifluoroethyl. Now let's have a quick recap on this. Now on CH2 double bond CH2, the double bond changes to single bond, and you have to change the second H as Cl, Cn, benzene, then CH3, then both this H2 changes to F2, and in the second F2, one F changes to Cl. That is the changes in this 7 compounds of monomers. In this side, you have to remember one point, only one point you have to remember, that is during the polarization you have to change double bonds into single bond. Now let's see the second division, that is elastomers. In that, the main compound CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2, that is 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. From this main compound we are going to make 4 more compounds. The first one is that CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. On the second C we will make a branch called CH3. And on polymerization we make CH2 single bond C double bond CH and single bond CH2. And same on like the monomer, second carbon we make CH3. And in this, all the double bonds become the single bond, and single bond becomes double bond. And the monomer is isoprene, and the polymer is polyisoprene. Yeah. And the next compound is Buna S. Buna, the first one, that is butadiene, and S is for styrene, and the equation goes CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2 plus styrene. The on polymerization it goes CH2 single bond CH double bond CH single bond CH2, then styrene it comes, and in that double bond becomes single bond, and n times. And the fourth one is, the next one is Buna N. Here N is the sign. Equation goes like this: CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2 plus acrylonitrile. And on polymerization it goes the same. You have to just change the double bond to single bond, and single bond to double bond, and n times. Now let's do a recap. That is, on the second C just add CH3, and on the second C just add Cl, so you get two new compounds. And on the other side, as a new part you add styrene, and as a new part you add acrylonitrile, so that you get 4 new compounds in this video. And in here you have to remember one thing, that is single bonds become double bonds, and and while double bond becomes single bond. This is the change which is happening between the throughout the process in the elastomers.